Hello fellow masterminders, this is Brad, how are you? And I decided to put this video together for my fellow masterminders in Adam Duke's Facebook page. It was a question that I had, and I'm wondering if other people want to know how to do this also. Um, Basically, in a gist, what I want is if people are going to come to my website and they're going to download the free report that I created, I don't want them to access it through the internet. I think that cheapens it. I'd rather them get something physical that they can put onto their computer. Sure, they can always download it and then delete it right after, so what? But I think it adds more value if you have it on your computer rather than keeping it in a browser and then Xing out the browser and then you never have it again. And I just didn't want them to get it through the internet. They want it, they got to save it to their computer. And I didn't know how to do it. So I posted this question on Adam's page and got a bunch of responses, and they were all very good, but nothing worked. And so about 4 hours ago, Susan came up with an idea, and she gave me a method that we're going to go ahead and try now. And I took the method that she gave me and I put it into a Word document. And here's what she said to do. She said basically, create a PHP file named downloadnow.php. She gave me the code, which we're going to put on the page. Your file name would be in the place of my document.pdf, so I would take the file that I created and take the title of it and insert it here and insert it right here, and then save that and then re-upload it back to my website. Okay, your file name would be in the on the web page where you want the download link. That's my subscribe page. That's the page people hit after subscribing through my get response page, my get response link. You put in this code. Okay. Upload your downloadable file to the same directory as your PHP file. That's crucial. We basically have to make a separate folder for both these documents. So we're going to do that right now first. All right. I'm going to go to my FileZilla. Okay. And there it is. There's a downloads file that I already created to save some time. I'm going to open it up. And as you can see, it's empty. So this is the file we're going to put both pages in. Both the document I'm giving away, the PDF, and the PHP document that I'm creating in a little bit. On my desktop is the document, is the PDF. We're going to go ahead and upload it right now. We're going to wait for it to accept because it is a PDF. It takes a few seconds. There it is. 5 extremely fast ways for your business to get a lot of free traffic. And now we're going to go ahead into Dreamweaver and we are going to create the PHP page that Susan tells us how to do. So we'll go File, New. We'll go double click PHP. We're going to get rid of all this junk. We don't need this. I'm going to go back to the code that she gave me and I'm going to copy that. That's our first step. We're going to paste that right here. And I probably should have put this into a notepad first, but I think we'll be alright anyway. And there it is. And right here where it says my document.pdf, we're going to go ahead and change the name to the giveaway that I have. So I'm going to go back onto here. I'm going to copy it exactly as it's written here. I'm going to go back into Dreamweaver. This is the PHP page. I'm going to go ahead and paste it right there. 5 extremely fast ways for your business to get a lot of free traffic. We are also going to paste it right here. And then I'm going to save it. And we're going to save it exactly as she suggests. We're going to call it Download Now. It's automatically going to be a PHP, but just in case, what we're going to do is we're just going to go PHP this way, just in case. Okay, save it as a PHP. Save it. There it is, Download Now.php. Let's make sure we save it to my desktop. There it is. It is on my desktop already. I'm going to go to the desktop, and there it is. I'm going to now upload this exactly as told into the folder that we created where the giveaway is, and there it is. Okay, so we now have both pages in there. Now I got to go to the subscribe page. Remember the directions were on the web page where you want the download link, put this link. Okay, so go back into FileZilla. There's my subscribe page. We're going to download it to the desktop. And there it is. I'm going to put it into Dreamweaver right here. And as it stands now, it's just a direct link. You have the website and then the PDF. I don't really want that. I don't really want people getting to it through the internet. So I'm going to go back, make sure I get it correctly. Download now.php. We're going to go ahead and just copy this exactly as is. Go into Dreamweaver. We're going to change the way it is. Right now, that's the way it looks. We're just going to just go like this. Paste it. Okay, we don't need that extra code. And then we close it there. And I have it in 2 places, so we're going to go ahead and put it here too. Paste it. Okay, we closed it. Okay, so now you have 2 links with the download now.php, and just to make sure, I'm going to put in my website address. I'm sure it'll work this way, but might as well just be thorough. Premium local exposure.com. Downloads. Remember, we created the downloads folder, so we have to put that in. And then, of course, it has the download now.php page. Alright, let's make sure. Okay, downloads. There's the page. Go back into Dreamweaver. I'm going to go ahead and cut this, or rather, I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to put it right here. This way we can be thorough. Now, I'm sure it'll find it the other way, but we might as well just use the entire website address. Alright, make sure it's closed. We're now going to save the subscribe page. Again, this is the page that people hit after subscribing through my GetResponse account. It's saved to my desktop, so I'm going to go to my desktop. Right there it is, subscribe. Go back online. Oops. Let's put it back for a second. We got to go out of this folder. And there's the subscribe page. Now go back to my desktop. Subscribe. And there it is. We put it in here. Alright, now let's see what happens. Remember, as it was set up originally, it would just directly open up in the internet. I did not want that. So we are now going to open up premiumlocalexposure.com, subscribe. Okay, let's just change this extension. Now this is going to be a little annoying, guys. It's very loud. It's a recording that GetResponse gives you, and I used it on this page, so close your ears. Subscribe.html. Enter.
To confirm your subscription, please go to your Outlook application now. Open the email we sent you and click on the confirmation link to finish the process.
Okay, and let's make sure about the links. There it is. If you look on the bottom, it says premiumlocalexposure.com downloads, download now. Let's see what happens. Bam! There it is. They can't go to the internet. They have 2 choices. They can either save the file right there, or they can open it with whatever they have to open it with, whether it be front page or Dreamweaver like I use. Okay, we're going to go ahead and save it. And there it is. And now I've avoided them having to go to the internet. If they want it, they save it. Thanks, Susan. You are the best. I really appreciate it.